Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Hulk's World. And today we got Win48 in the building. He's new to the channel. He may not be new to the game, but he's definitely new to the channel. Now, if you have not checked out this guy's lineup, he do have some nice, awesome looking watch faces that is worthy of a look. So head on over, have a peek, see if you can find anything you like. And with that, let's go ahead and get started with this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Stalker DGT Sport. It's a nice looking digital watch face. In always on mode, what you're going to get is a simple digital time. It's going to be in a black and white theme, which isn't bad. As long as you can see your time at a glance, that's what's most important. Now, once you turn the watch face on, what you're going to be greeted with is kind of a rustic look in the background. The design looks nice, and up at the top you're going to get your date, the day of the week, and you come to the left of that, you are going to get your step info, calories burned. To the right of that, you will get miles walked around, and you're going to get a rifle. Here in the middle is your battery percentage. You get digital time that's going to be split, and your digital time is going to be in 24 hours. You get your heart rate information. You get animated seconds that looks like a bullet, right? If I'm not mistaken. And on top of that, it is interactive. So if you tap on the date, you can pull up your calendar, set an event. Same thing with your step status info. It'll pull that up for you. If I tap on the 19, I can set an alarm. Same thing if I tap on the minutes, I can go into my weather, which is important to me. Same thing you can do with your heart rate information as well. And if I tap right here, I can change the color theme of the watch face to several different colors, which I thought was awesome. I'm going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're in for when you download this watch face. And it's not bad. It is not a bad look. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.